It's been a while, but I am back with a new YouTube video, and today I have Emily. And Emily's gonna smell some things, and guess what the scents are for Posh's new products. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Feel free to leave a comment down below. And yeah, so let's get started. Are you excited? Yeah, what are we gonna smell? She's part zebra today, if you can't tell. So, Posh just launched their new core catalog a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks, I think. And I have 5 of the new products here for Emily to smell and try out. Beginning with our new Sassy Uma gently exfoliating body gel. So, what do you think, Emily?
Peach.
Peaches. You sure? Let's try that again.
Orange.
Oh. What do you think it is?
Orange.
Oranges. It is a nice, does have orange in it. Take a look. There's that. I know, it's a very jelly. You can see the little scrubbies in there. You can see it moving, but it is
Sammy has
orange.
on her iPad, so guess what? She gets
Maybe. All right, let me just get this off here. Whew. Not quite ready to scrub yet. All right, and next we have, I'm saving the one I think she's gonna like the best for last, our new Twilight Zoned Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. Melon and Plumera. What do you think that smells like?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Blueberry?
A little bit of like blueberry. Is it a sweet smell? A salty smell? Sour smell?
Sour.
Sour.
Sour blueberries.
Sour blueberries. Well, it is. I kind of gave her a hint with the melon and Plumera, but it is a very relaxing scent. And we had back in July a body cream that sold out within a week of launching in the same scent. It's very tranquil and wonderful. So next, this is probably, I think, one of the products I was most excited for, and I think will be my new favorite. It is Impress Me Hydrating Moisturizer. It's a pressed moisturizer, and it has this handy little cap that stays in it, and look how cute that little glass container is. So give that one a smell. What's that one smell like? You don't know? Lemon? A little citrusy. Yeah. And it's very spongy. Like, it's not like your regular moisturizer. Yeah, you can touch it. It does have a little fermented blueberries, some fermented wine. It has probiotics and prebiotics, which is why I'm really excited for it, to help soothe. Surprise! All right, next we have, this one is gorgeous, you guys, the Jungle Juice Chunk. Let me pop a little bit out here, but look at this. Look how pretty that soap is. What do you think, Emily? You think you're gonna like it?
Fruit punch?
Fruit punch, yes, that is a great way to describe it. It's pineapple and tangerine cocktail, and yes, a fruit punch. Again, let's just get a close-up here. A close-up of Emily. A close-up of the chunk, you can see all the little orange zest in there. All right, let's back up. No one wants to see your teeth. And our last one is the Show Me What You're Mermaid of hand cream. And I think Emily is really going to like this. That, and it's purple.
Yummy!
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I have a snuffy nose.
Well, let's smell it again. Give it a good smell.
I don't know.
Let's put some on. And then smell your hands. Maybe we'll just smell it a little better. There we go. A little bit for you. Rub it together and smell your hands while you rub. Ready?
Lemon.
Lemon. Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Sweet. Does it smell like cotton candy? Yeah, so cotton candy is kind of the consensus. It is a sweeter smell. It's juicy lemon and coconut. I'm sorry, juicy melon and coconut. She said lemon earlier. Threw me off a little bit. So that is it. Again, this was another super, super popular product that launched back in April or May for summer. And it launched as a body scrub. And it was blue and sparkly and smelled so good. So she's back, but in a hand cream scent. Much easier to transport a hand cream than a body scrub. So that is it, guys, for today's Smell It Like It Is. Our wonderful products here. Emily, here, you can hold this one very carefully. And this one very carefully. Here, you hold that one. And let's show, hold them up. Put them a little closer to mine. There we go. Our products here for our 2019 core catalog. So you know what to do if you want one of these bad boys. Links are in the description.
I like bad boys.
Bad boys. It just means that there's something exciting, something really popular. All right. Links and all that good jazz is in the description. So let me know if I can hook you up with anything. What is this one? That was the face moisturizer, so it goes on my face. Yes, you can touch it again. I told you, it's super spongy.
But why can I not put it on, Mom?
Never said you couldn't put it on. We're not going to put it on right now, though. Go ahead, give it a touch. Don't stick your finger in it. You just left a dent in my... All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Goo goo.